Alright, y'all, so we got the truck now. Excuse me, sir. Oh, we gotta go back across the street where we just was. Got the truck, y'all. It's getting real. Oh, we gotta walk to the bodega.
Oh shit, that's right. Did we lock up the door?
No.
Ain't nothing in there.
Shit, don't lock them.
Ain't nothing in there.
Ain't what they gonna do? Still try to steal the car? So we walk into the bodega. My last final days in the east. I'm gonna call it the east. Got the gangs all here to help me pack. Say hello to the camera, Dad.
Hello, good people in TV land.
Got my brothers. My brothers and my sister. Gonna move this ish up out of here.
One band, one sound.
We moving on up like the Jeffersons. Just hold it on me. Alright, y'all.
I'm gonna just put it on me because she got me doing all this extra stuff. I don't want to be in it. Get my teeth.
So today is moving day. My family is moving too quickly, y'all. You see I'm taping stuff up.
I'm not about to hold this. I don't know why you here.
You don't want to be my camera woman.
Here, because it can just sit on the box.
It's not even on me. You can't be a part of this production. Get out the camera. Alright, so this is you. What the hell? Where's the blade?
You broke the shits?
What?
Oh my god.
This is ghetto. Give me to Damien. Y'all, look at this.
Just be careful with this mirror.
Please. It's my pride and joy. Y'all, they didn't clear it out. I didn't even get a chance to like record. It was literally like an assembly line. They picked up and they just started going. I gotta look at my dad. We got the truck. He's playing no games. Let me. Alright. I'm still trying to throw stuff in the box. I didn't broke the tape. That's too much.
She got hers in her room.
She do. She got all that dang on tape. She don't have a. She just got tape. She don't have the thing. Oh yes, she do. Here, I found it. Mickey, I'm borrowing your tape if you ever see this video.
Did you know you got a box for it?
Yeah, I just replaced it. I don't know if she know or not.
Oh. She has like
Y'all, so let me just show y'all my room. The bed is gone. That's trash. Blankets. That box is going. That stuff is going. These clothes are going. Let me just move this stuff out the way. It's so chaotic right now. I just feel like I wasn't ready as fast as we started moving stuff. I'm still getting stuff together. But gotta move. Gotta get it going. So
what's in these bags? You over here vlogging.
I am.
Here moving your shit.
I
need you to help me move. You gonna help me take my bed apart?
I will try my best. You see, I had to bring reinforcements in my own bed. But I would definitely try my best.
I'm hoping, because once you get yours out, mine will go right in.
Niggas. Niggas. Only niggas. I'm just trying to make sure my stuff goes effectively. Especially the clothes. Put it in this. I don't want this scarf. Alright, now I gotta tape up this box. I'm still taping up boxes. My dad is going to cut me out, y'all. But I'm still doing it.
Oh, she's throwing that shoe rack away. Is she throwing it away?
I don't know. It's in the middle of the hallway. Why you want it? It matches your bed
Oh
too.
yeah, I want that if
She might be.
That's definitely a lightweight thing that can go with me. You won't be cracking up on how you tape your boxes. You know it's for.
I don't know. I just put it together.
Them should be spaced here.
Long enough together.
It's not, Ruby, if it's that fast.
That's why you use extra duty tape. packaging tape. Oh, you taking a snack bag?
Because I said brother put the nails in it. You know, I can use that IKEA.
I was so pissed that that I had snack bags. I accidentally bought snack bags, Ziploc bags. All right, I gotta push this box out.
Got it.
Oh, thank you. This
might not be even happy.
It's not. This box is pretty heavy. Use your muscles, bruh. Use your muscles. All right, Naya getting the assembly line. So, all right, it's still out here. Ah, not trying to break a nail. That is not a part of the goal for today. All right, this is a bag of clothes. This has to go, but we have to put it in the bag.
Yeah, I don't even want to touch this stuff because I ain't gonna do it.
I think it's mostly. Oh no, that stuff is staying.
Oh yeah.
I'm trying to think if I'm even bringing this stool. Might as well for the time being.
You're not taking that desk though.
No. Desk is not going. So the clothes. Can you grab the coats that's in my closet? I'm starting to bring this stuff out here. Just like little pieces. I'm just hoping that it all fits. That's the main thing. Because if it doesn't, we're gonna have to make another trip. I wasn't trying to do that. Oh, I was coming to grab more stuff. Asa is over me, y'all, and I think it's so funny. I'm actually gonna cut this camera off and get this stuff downstairs, and I'm gonna go downstairs once I'm done and see how my dad packaged the truck. So I'll check back in a minute. Oh, y'all put it in the back, not the side? Y'all, we all loaded up.
Packing like Tetris.
Oh shoot!
Packing like Tetris.
Oh, you're bomb.com, sir. Thank you for your services.
I'm gonna set my coat.
You got everything in there. I was concerned.
Oh, you sit there, I was sitting here. How to do it? Oh.
I'm so weak. All right. Got the kids in the back. I'm about to jam. Eat my snacks. Dad about to whip this bad boy. You need the Addy?
Hell yeah, I don't know where I'm going.
No, I'm saying, like, did you want me to put it in my phone or you want to put it in your own phone?
Put it in yours.
Okay. Y'all, so I'm at the new place and I'm like throwing stuff in the elevator. We're back on that quick pace, throw stuff and get stuff in the apartment, so I haven't been able to vlog. For my room? Oh, for our movie for Cuba? Okay. So we have been We just got here. My dad's goal is to like move this in like less than an hour. We put it in the car in 30 minutes. I didn't realize it was that quickly. So that's good. Haven't really been able to like, have to push or hold anything or do any real manual labor because my brothers have been taking care of everything and my sister's been helping out a lot. So once we move this stuff here, we're gonna go back to Brooklyn, take the truck back, and then we could probably go grab some food or whatever. We have the whole day. They don't leave till tomorrow. And then tonight I'm gonna clean up the last bit of stuff like in my room, the floors and all that. And then tomorrow officially when I come home, my new home, I'll do my cleaning and unpacking. Okay, so everything is all moved in.
This is our last day.
The end.
Ooh.
I look a hot ass mess. We've been moving and cleaning all day.
Like a dusty scabby right now.
She's moving to Philly, you guys.
Oh wow! I feel like we graduated from high school.
No, legit college. We're leaving.
Wow.
All right.
Be safe. Be safe. Nice meeting you.
Oh,
I know. You want that roach right there?
hell no.
All right now.
All right, and Boogie with the hoodie. This is actually kind of sad. Yeah. All right, y'all, it's come to the end. I feel like I'm so close. Let me zoom out of this room and close the door. So this is the end of my journey here in Brooklyn. I look so crazy because it's been a long weekend, it's been a long day, but, oh, I'm like echoing. But this is the end of my journey here. This room came and served its purpose. So much growth. This is like my first place. Like I'm getting emotional now. Like I did it. This was like my first, I came to New York on my own, paid my own rent for 2 years by myself, worked my ass off. And this is what I got to enjoy during that time of putting in that hard work. So I'm proud of myself and I'm sad. I didn't think I was gonna cry, but now I'm crying. And it's just tears of happiness and accomplishment. And I'm proud of myself and I did it. And so I don't even cry on camera. These are like real tears, y'all. Y'all don't understand. Like, this is like emotion that I feel like I needed to get out. And I moved in to this place 2 years ago on my birthday. I didn't do anything for my birthday, I moved. And that's when I knew that I was growing and I was adulting and my priorities were intact and I was doing what I needed to do. And I just learned so much about myself as a person in this room, in this apartment, with my roommates, with everything, and just with this neighborhood, with my bodega man down the street, the other guy across the street, my surroundings, and I'm happy and I'm ready for the next journey. And so much gratitude and so much gratitude. I'm so happy my dad and my brother and them and my sister all came up to help me move. They made it so much easier to have like so many helping hands, and we moved that stuff out so quickly, so freaking quickly, that today all I had to do was like wake up and I found this stuff on the wall. Wake up, clean, and just like take the last minute stuff. I do have some like last minute bags that I'm putting in the Uber and I'm about to head out. But I wanted to just come on there and make this video. My heart is so full, so freaking full. But let me give the last tour. It's so crazy. I'm gonna try to find a clip of me inserting when I first moved in. I don't know if I still have that footage, but I'll clip it when I first moved into this place. And now I'm moving out, just like the closet and all that. If you guys never seen that, I did a whole empty apartment tour, but now it's like the final shebang. So this is me saying, Alright, so let's see. Do like a final walkthrough. The crib. Bathroom is complete. All that. I don't know if I ever showed y'all Ace's room, but this is what Ace's room looked like. Nikki's room. Boom. Kitchen area. All this, and then the living room. So I'm out. I couldn't look up myself.